Buy it now. What do you think? Yes? So, since our last video that we've done, they have sent the 10 amp charger. It came with the blade they said it would.
Mm-hmm.
They fixed where now it will go around clockwise or counterclockwise, like
it's not changing every time.
Yeah, like Johnny's doing right now.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this thing is getting good. I think they've resolved all the problems.
Yeah, I don't feel like there's anything left, right?
Yeah, I heard that they fixed the hub. They've been doing software updates like crazy.
Yeah, that last one was a big one.
And the reason I say buy it now is because Amanda just bought a new iPhone and it took
2.5 weeks to get here.
2.5 weeks to get here. That is insane. This is a product that we already know there's a ton of people buying it. How many have we sold?
21 maybe.
That's from our affiliate link, and tell them about the...
So the affiliate link, which we'll have at the bottom linked on there, he'll show you where that's at. You just click that, it takes you straight to Lymow's website, and you, as far as we know, you still get a $100 coupon, which can change at any minute. But that'll get you $100 off your order, and you don't have to pay any extra to use our affiliate link. You're not going to get charged anything. That just helps our channel out.
And when I was mowing Saturday or Sunday, a guy stopped.
Yes.
He said...
An older guy stopped.
An older man stopped and said, that's the way to do it.
Mm-hmm. And at the time, you were doing the perimeter.
I was doing
out there at the road.
So I do a couple passes out by the road because I don't want mine getting hit by a car. Johnny did go out in the road. And I also had another...
Weeks ago, not recently.
Well, he went out in the driveway this weekend, too. So I had him set. He was finished.
But I think that probably been my fault, too.
No, it was not.
Okay.
So I had him over there, and I was going to do another mow. Well, I was watching a football game, and I waited until the game was over to go get him. Because I have him where he can't get back in the fence unless I let him in. And I was going to have him mow another section. Well, I think what happens is if he loses his signal, if you're waiting around picking up sticks or whatever, I think that's what happened in the road too. I had him too close to the edge, and he was trying to pick up his signal by moving forward and went out in the road and went out in the driveway. So I think I was the problem. He has to have enough room to pick up signal when you resume or whenever you first start. What I usually do is I'll watch him do one perimeter mow, and then I'll go inside and I'll watch his camera mow like this right here. And I'll joke to Amanda, I'm mowing.
And we're sitting in the house watching TV.
I'm mowing. Don't you feel bad for me?
Yeah, he likes to say, hey, I'm going to go mow. Do you feel bad? I'm like, well, don't wear yourself out.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's been hot.
Yeah, well, not anymore.
And we didn't mow, maybe a couple weeks.
We were in a drought, the big time drought.
But now we're mowing every day again. We got this backyard. Love to keep it short. We've been getting some onion grass or something.
Yeah.
It gets really tall.
It takes no time.
Really quick. And Johnny's taking care of the leaves. He's taking care of mowing. This has just been great for me, for my son to not have to do it and be able to focus on school and other stuff. And I mean, it's just, I'm putting fiber into rear easements right now in people's yards. And I get to see all these people mowing. These are some smaller yards. And I'm just like,
you need a Lymow.
You need a Lymow. And that's why I'm saying buy it now. Just like that guy was saying, that's the way to do it. People are seeing this. We've had so many of our neighbors saying stuff, going by. This saying, we already know. Like, we don't have that many viewers or views on doing this. And 21 sold already. Think about, I seen a video that had 40,000 views. All these people, all my neighbors are seeing it, and they're going to figure out what it is. And they're supposed to increase the price. And when they increase that price to $3,000, people are going to buy the crap out of it right before then, because I think they'll notify you. But if you don't buy it before that, you may not get one next year. And
to that, I know some people may be apprehensive with support and things that you get from Lymow, but the amount of updates they've put on this thing
is insane.
Like, they have listened to the community, they have listened to the content creators, and they have fixed the problems that have come up. So if you get one for next spring, you're going to be golden because all these things are fixed.
Yeah, and I think they fixed the hub. We've got the scrapers for the wheels.
Yeah.
We fixed the tracks. We adjusted the tracks. I think a book or something came out that someone had to do the tracks. We already figured that out. And I want to say something else about not getting something. You're thinking, well, it'll be out there. I went to buy a golf launch monitor one time, and I pre-ordered it. I got it in. They was sold out. I sold mine for twice as much. You may feel like that's not a good thing to do, but I sold it on eBay for twice as much as I paid for it. And after the fees and everything, I ended up only cost less than $200 for a $600 golf launch monitor.
Supply and demand.
Supply and demand. And, you know, a lot of people out there, they're just thinking, well, I'll just wait. There may be no waiting. You're just not going to be able to buy it. I mean, they can only make so many. It took us months to get ours, even after they was in production. And then they're having all the tariff thing again, and they're saying 100%.
So everything coming from there.
Yeah, I mean,
that was one of the things we were worried about.
Yeah, we thought we may have to pay tariffs, and they was like, no, we're not.
Yeah, they covered it, didn't they?
I don't know.
I don't know what ended up happening, but we didn't have to pay anything extra.
If they sent it someplace secret,
yeah,
we don't know.
We don't know.
But everything they've told us has been happening. I mean, you can see him out there. He's doing a great job. This is the only mower, or it was the only mower that could mulch leaves. Now you have the Yarbo. You've seen how expensive the Yarbo is. We're going to have an affiliate link for it too. We would love to test one of those out. We've heard all kinds of comments about the Yarbo, that it has its problems too.
Yeah, we would love to test it out, and even like the accessories for it.
Oh my gosh.
I
have a snowblower.
That's my biggest thing. I would love to see the snowblower in action in our driveway.
Absolutely.
So if Yarbo's watching, get a hold of us.
But you can see Johnny out there just mowing. We've got the window open in there. Can you hear him?
Probably not. I doubt it.
Yeah, he's not even coming up on the mics. I mean, that's how quiet. We had a guy, he's mowing a yard down here. They're paying to have their yard mowed. And it sounds like
Eric's
a helicopter.
Is there a helicopter?
I mean, I was like, what is this?
Yeah.
It was so loud. I watched a woman that's putting fiber in. I'm watching this woman mow her yard. Johnny could have mowed her yard the same time it took her to mow her yard. And it was hot. And there's sticks and limbs. And, you know, you're going to have to pick them up with Johnny too. But if it's windy out and you're under a tree like that, stuff's falling, it's a lot safer to send Johnny out there. We had a neighbor down the road that got hit by a rock. And there was ambulances. There was all kinds of stuff. We didn't know what was going on. If someone got shot or what happened. There was so many people down there. And
So it was a person mowing, and then somebody was outside with
Mhm.
him at the same time, and the rock flew out from the lawnmower and got
Yes.
him in the head.
yeah, charger's been working awesome.
Yeah, we've not had no trouble with the fast charger at all.
Now it takes me about 2 days to mow my yard. I can't do it. It's not enough daylight. And I wait now. I figured out the grass cannot be wet at all.
Yeah, in the summertime with the fast charger, we can probably do it all in one day.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so too. But the fast charger, it's about 2 hours. The tracks are looking good. I can't tell anywhere on the tracks. I was worried about that at the beginning because they said he's going to have to replace them every year, and that's not going to be the case. I don't think, especially when you loosen them up. All right. You got anything else to say about Johnny?
Nope, he's doing a great job.
Yeah, we got songs coming out with Johnny. Johnny Momo.
He says that all the time.
All the time. Like she's probably getting annoyed. You get it? Get it?
You know, we've been married a long time. It is.
She says it too. She says it too. I'd come out with songs and stuff about it. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
Catch you in the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
Johnny Momo. How's this song go? Mo, Johnny Momo. Mo.
Yeah.
Johnny
Good.
Momo. No, it's Johnny Momo. You messed me up on my song. This is going to be a hit single. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You gonna sing it
No,
with me?
I want to hear you. They need to hear your beautiful
Oh my
singing
gosh,
voice.
She hates when I sing so bad. She's like, what's it sound like to you? A cat screeching or
Oh,
something?
yeah. About 100.
Yeah, 100 cats.
This is really bad. He can't sing on key whatsoever.
She entered a singing contest.
Now, don't be saying that.
Yeah. So she should be singing.
No.
All right.